Adi Mudra. In Sanskrit, Adi means first and Mudra defined gesture or seal. Adi Mudra gets its name by the hand position of a fetus inside the mother's womb. You must have seen newborn baby hands with this gesture. It's Adi Mudra, the first gesture. This is also known as primordial mudra and the baby's gesture. Adi Mudra unites the energy of all five elements present in our body, which eventually stimulates the crown chakra, Sahasrara. Crown chakra lifts and inspires you, gives mental clarity, and connects you to the divine. The major difference between Adi Mudra and normal fist is that in Adi Mudra the thumb is inside the fist. One might say that the fist is formed such that it seems built around the thumb. In terms of elemental reference, the thumb represents the fire element. And in Adi Mudra, the thumb being in middle, all the other elements come together and merge with the fire element. Meaning the benefits generated by activating the other four elements work together in benefiting and protecting your vitality, digestion, inner strength, integrity, willpower, self-confidence, and courage. Adi Mudra benefits: relief from lung inflammation and infection. The practice of this mudra strengthens the respiratory system and can reduce the inflammation of the respiratory system and lungs. Apart from this, lung infection can also be reduced by Adi Mudra. It helps in reducing respiratory tract diseases such as bronchitis and asthma. Relief from cold and cough. One of the reasons for cold and throat problems can be infection in the respiratory system. To get rid of this problem, you can practice Adi Mudra. The practice of Adi Mudra is helpful in reducing infection and relieving cold. Removes the problem of snoring. People who have a problem of loud snoring should practice Adi Mudra. Adi Mudra relaxes the nervous system and helps reduce snoring. It can improve the flow of oxygen to the brain and increases lung capacity. Helpful in mental peace. Adi Mudra helps in increasing attention and concentration. It gives you mental peace. Improved respiratory system improves the oxygen level in your body. This relaxes the brain and gives you relief from anxiety and stress. Increase in energy level. Practicing Adi Mudra increases the oxygen level in your body. This increases the oxygen level in your blood. Improved oxygen level helps in repairing the cells. Also, there is an increase in energy. Adi Mudra benefits your nervous system and enhances the logical ability of your brain. A well-controlled musculoskeletal system. An effective movement in abdominal organs like the stomach, liver, and intestines. Stimulation to endocrine glands for healthy hormonal secretion. How to do Adi Mudra? To perform Adi Mudra in yoga, sit in a comfortable meditative posture with spine erect and eyes closed. Keep your arms on your thighs or knees with palms facing down. Now press your thumb against your palm and touch the base of your little finger joint on the palm with the tip of your thumb in both hands. Then join your other fingers, closing the gap between them, and clench them inward to wrap around the thumb, forming a fist. Maintain slight pressure in your fist, evenly across the palm and in all fingers. However, do not press too hard, hurting your thumb. Obviously, you will be performing the mudra in both hands simultaneously. After finishing up your practice, gently release your fingers and bring your palms in ease. Time and duration. Adi Mudra has recommended duration of about 20 minutes a day. You can practice 20 minutes at a stretch or you can break it up as per your convenience. As far as when to do Adi Mudra is concerned, practicing this mudra in the morning is the best idea. You and your body will like to start your day with this mudra, as it will prep you up for the rest of the day with a lot of energy. The other perfect timing for this mudra is before going to bed. The nervous, digestive, and oxygenation benefits will trigger a sound sleep and efficient mind body rest. However, Adi Mudra can also be practiced as a quick fix in certain situations, such as immediately before activities or tasks that require high intellectual and cognitive abilities. Activities like studying, performing, examinations, problem solving, analyzing, and such. Moreover, it can be treated as a natural holistic antidepressant and practiced in stressful situations to calm down. Precautions and contradictions. To get the best results from Adi Mudra, you need to take some precautions. Do not press the fingers too hard. This will end up making blockage in the nerve ending. This mudra is all about concentration. Perform it in a quiet and silent place. Wear comfortable clothes. Very loose or tight clothes can make you uncomfortable. Avoid distractions if any. Considering how the fetus itself comes to this world with its hands closed in Adi Mudra, it is safe to assume that this mudra is the most natural and primal hand gesture. Theoretically, this mudra has almost no significant negative interactions or contradictions. Conclusion. Adi Mudra is a very effective energy booster and mood enhancer. It increases the blood flow to the brain, automatically making you feel more alert and awake. Adi Mudra also helps treat anxiety, depression, stress, migraines, and headaches.